What are you doing up so early?
I was just about to ask you the same thing.
I had a bad dream.
Well, come here, come tell me about it.
It's a really bad dream. You promise to go away?
I promise.
It's about Daddy.
What about Daddy?
Okay, so I'm at the park with my friend Scott, and I hear Daddy calling my name.
Go on.
And every time I turn around to see him, he's not there. So I run to look for him. But every time I run to look for him, he's gone. My friends say I'm stupid. Your daddy's dead. And I start to cry. See, I told you it was stupid.
It's not stupid.
I start to get scared. And no matter where I looked, Daddy wasn't anywhere. And all I wanted to do was find you.
Your pop, he's right here in this room with us right now.
Where?
Up there, in heaven.
Oh. Mommy, I love you.
I love you too.